Hi friends, Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about Kalsarp Dosh. It is very famous, so we will make it very simple to understand in a layman language. Kal Sharp Dosh means Rahu Ketu Dosh. In your horoscope, if you see this chart, whenever Rahu Ketu are placed in such a way that maximum planet are either one side, what is the logic behind that it create a problem and we say it a dosh. Now first of all we should understand simply what is Rahu Ketu. Rahu Ketu means the flow of our life energy. If our life energy is flowing in a bad direction or it is blocked somewhere, we cannot success in life. Very simple, we have to be careful that any blockage of this energy will be stopped, and if we are not taking proper remedies or we are not understanding this, so in your horoscope whenever Rahu is placed in, assume, first house and Ketu is placed in the seventh house, as you see in the horoscope here. Here it is, I will show you by pen. Rahu is here, Ketu is here. This is the chart. Rahu is in the first house, Ketu is here, and rest of the planet are here. It is a sandwich form of planet between Rahu Ketu. It is Kalsarp Dosh. So there are 12 type of Kalsarp. When Rahu is here, when Rahu is here, when Rahu is here, every dosh has a different name. So first of all I want to say that Kalsarp Dosh is found in 70 to 80% of people horoscope. It doesn't mean that Kalsarp is very dosh and is very negative or is very dangerous. It's not like that. Kalsarp is something creating a life force in a particular direction, and when direction is too much focused in particular area, because in your horoscope if you see this horoscope, if you divide into two part, this is, half part, it is something Purusha, and this part is Prakriti. If all the planets are here, your Purush part is too much and you will miss the Prakriti part. This is the reason that all the planets are this side. Now why Rahu Ketu is playing more important? Because Rahu is actually a driving force, a passion form in this Maya world. Ketu is something which takes you back. It's like a guitar, when you need tuning to make it a better sound. Rahu Ketu are the wires of your guitar of life. Rahu is helping to tune into this world. Ketu is helping to understand this world through spirituality. Now you have to understand, if Rahu Ketu are placed in such a way that other planet are one side, or any planet with Rahu or Ketu, it's like a partial type of Kalsarp Dosh. But remember, Rahu Ketu whenever placed, you have to focus on the first house, that is where Rahu is placed. It always takes you that particular type of, means in this case particularly it's like physical, it's like a physically the person will be something focused in some area and will miss other thing. Okay. Like for example this horoscope, we see that the planet are in this, so Saturn is here, it's like focus on material, money, family, is person is lost because first house is Rahu, second house is Sunny. It's something like your focus is too much on your family and body, you are lost. Maybe some your voice is, your way of talking, your communication is not good. So this is something like loss of energy. So remember, Rahu Ketu wherever placed, you can make them better by understanding that any negative planet is there near to Rahu. if Saturn is placed near to Rahu, it's also one negative point. Okay, how it will affect? It is actually because of the past birth, because of the past memories of your mind in your DNA. A lot of negative information is available, and this negative information, since long back, it's creating problem, and it is releasing through Ketu. So for Kalstra dosh, you always follow Ketu. If Ketu is good, then Rahu will be balanced. To make Ketu balance, come close to the nature and do not be too much logical like Rahu. Means you have to forget, and you have to uh, means be away from Rahu points. Rahu point is too much logical, so don't be too much logical. Rahu is too much desire of money, don't be too much desire of money. Just do best what you can do, but don't go for illegal things. And Rahu means doing work very fast, very fast, very fast, and not taking care of your health. Rahu in first house makes the person is so much active, so much active. So don't be so much active. Take relax, take a break. Ketu gives you break. If you take break in simple way, means automatically you will understand. If you're not taking break through simple way, your health, Rahu will destroy your health, and Ketu will end up you in hospital. Ketu will end up you in some situation where you cannot do anything. So Rahu Ketu whenever plays in such way, it is giving like a, either you are running life very fast. Rahu Ketu sandwich form is your life is too much running like a 60 speed, 70, 80, 100 speed, and you're not caring of the things on the road. So you may get accident and end up in hospital and a domain of Ketu. So hopefully you understood that Rahu Ketu Kalsarp dosh is found in almost 70 to 80% people. It's not a big problem. Only thing is you have to understand where Rahu is placed. It is taking you to there too much, focusing too much on that house, and Ketu is helping you. If you understood Ketu, like seventh house Ketu, it is like seventh house is the world. You don't take too much interest in the world, and Ketu will take you out from there, and it will help you to understand this world better. Okay, hopefully you understood this, and maybe you have so many questions. Please give me your questions, send your questions in comment box, and I will surely try to make a better explanation next video. And tell me how you find it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel, and I will be happy if you like this video. Thank you. Namaste.